Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. But today we're gonna show you how can you reset the factory default of a firewall fortigate, the model of 100D. So to do so, it is not something easy as you used to do that in an ordinary router or other firewall. But for the FortiGate, there is a specific case or a specific ways you have to do that. First of all, let us connect to the firewall. As you can see that I'm gonna put my username, admin, and my password, admin. Let me try again. Okay, now I'm getting on the firewall. So after display the interface, so right now I have all of the configuration in my screen. As you can see, my network configuration, all of the interfaces is already configured as well. But to reset the factory default, we have to go on the CLI command. As you can see that in the screen, right in the right. But after just getting there, you have to put that command execute. But I put execute and I press tab, and also it display me the all command. After execute, you have to put factory reset. But I just put fac and also press tab and also give me all of the command as well, as you used to configure that in the CLI of a Cisco router or firewall router Cisco. So, well, after doing it, and I press enter. But by pressing enter, it say that, do you want to continue? Yes or no? If you say yes, it's gonna reset it for you. But I will say no. I will say no. And by saying no, because my firewall is already configured, that's why I say no for not doing it. Then this is all that you can do to reset the firewall FortiGate.